Good guac. What? We're rolling? Sorry about that, folks. Dr. Safety here with My Buddy Jack. We're here today to talk to you about Avocado Safety. Every year, I see patients in my office, as well as my colleagues around the country, who've injured themselves cutting an avocado. Let me explain why. People will use a knife like this to try to cut a soft fruit like this. And here's what happens. They're holding the fruit, they cut through the skin and through the body very easily. As soon as they hit the pit, it bounces off and they slice through their hand. We see patients with this all the time. So say they get through the skin without a problem and they get to half an avocado. What happens is they hit their knife into the pit, they go to twist it out and they cut right into their thumb. Now they've learned this trick watching the internet, on YouTube videos and on television cooking shows. But these are professional chefs, so they never cut themselves. Unfortunately, amateurs like you and I have problems with these little tricks that we see and go, oh, that must be easy to do. So what do we have to use? Well, thankfully, companies created these kind of tools. These are multi-purpose tools that will help us with cutting an avocado, but prevent us from injuring ourselves. Just like the safety tools for cutting a pumpkin. Now, how do these work? Well, you can't cut yourself with it. The part that hit it, that's not sharp either. But these things work great. Let me show you how. So, you go to cut through the avocado, goes through it like butter, no problem. Now, just how it slipped there. See how it slides? Can't cut myself. So this is why we like these. We know things slip in the kitchen. This unfortunately happens, but using a safety device, you're not going to get injured. So once you separate it into two halves, now comes the easy part. Instead of doing that little trick with the knife, just take this device, press it into there firmly, twist it, and voila, comes right out. So you can see, if you use one of these types of devices, you're not going to risk harming yourself, and you're not going to end up having to see myself or someone like myself to tell you you've cut a nerve or a tendon be pitting an avocado. From Jack and I, thanks for your paying attention. We hope you enjoyed the safety video and some of our others, and have a happy holiday. Cheers.